Most of the villages face the problem of drinking water in recent times, both in terms of quality and quantity. Overexploitation of groundwater sources, very deep bore wells, and insufficient rainwater recharge are the main reasons. To address this issue, Sustainable Groundwater Management or SUGAM project was initiated in the year 2011 in 2 districts of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh states. The project is implemented by Center for World Solidarity or CWS, a voluntary organization based at Hyderabad with 3 local partner NGOs, namely Jana Jagruti, Crops and RIDS. SUGAM project operates in 6 Gram Panchayats, namely Vaddi Cherala and Vanaparthi in Warangal district of Telangana state and Masakavankapalli, Maddivari Gondi, Kotanka and Peddamatla Gondi in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh. The project is funded by European Union and co-financed by Bread for the World, Germany. Anantapur is a drought-prone district with an annual average rainfall of 520 millimeters. Warangal district has an average annual rainfall of 994 millimeters. SUGAM project covers 11 villages with 3,317 families and around 12,000 population. Baseline survey of the project area showed that many drinking water wells had dried up due to groundwater depletion and overuse. Unequal distribution and access to safe drinking water, especially to marginalized communities such as Dalit, was quite evident. There was no proper system in place to collect water tax to support operation and maintenance of water supply system. Out of 3,317 households, 1,817 households had no sufficient water supply in the year 2011. Poor families without individual tap connection were spending most of their time in getting water from distant public taps or other irrigation sources. Transporting water on bullock carts and selling drinking water on auto rickshaw tankers were very common. SUGAM staff, along with the villagers, assessed the situation by transact walk and discussions and prepared action plan. As the first step to sustain and rejuvenate the existing water sources, rainwater harvesting methods were taken up. Innovative bore well recharge structure was constructed closer to the drinking water well. A layer of wood charcoal was placed to avoid bacteriological contaminants flowing in the bore well along with rainwater. This rainwater conservation effort not only improved the water yield but also enhanced water quality. Till today, 8 drinking water bore wells are provided with such recharge structures. Apart from augmenting drinking water availability, storage infrastructure was renovated for improved access of water to people in peripheral habitations. Small ground-level sumps were constructed against necessity.
సుగమ సంస్థ వాళ్ళు ప్లాన్ చేసి అక్కడ నుంచి నీళ్ళు
Before SUGAM project intervened, Peddamatla Gondi Panchayat was not getting water even for domestic purpose. SUGAM constructed a sump here with rupees 2,60,000. In this participatory approach, villagers deposited rupees 2 lakh for getting the project. Because of this sump, people at Peddamatla Gondi are enjoying sufficient water.
పోవడం వల్ల ఇప్పుడు పెద్దమట్ల గొందికి సమృద్ధిగా వాటర్ పోతుంది సార్.
ఇదివరకు సంపు కట్ట ముందుకు వాటర్ ప్రాబ్లం బాగుండేది.
Before the construction of the sump, motor burning due to overload was a major problem. Damage to pipelines was common because of the pressure. We were unable to supply water even once in 3 days. After construction of this sump, water gets lifted to the overhead storage reservoir easily. Now we are able to supply water regularly.
ఇంతవరకు ఎలాంటి మోటార్లు కాలిపోవడం కానీ పైప్ లైన్ లీక్ అవ్వడం కానీ అలాంటివి ఏమీ లేవు.
Existing ground level storage reservoirs were renovated and additional storage sumps were constructed. Water supply lines were rebuilt or repaired to avoid leakage of water and to assure dependable water supply. Electricity supply system was improved to ensure uninterrupted lifting of water. Water distribution network was designed in such a way that equal amount of water is available even to the tail end of the village. Sugam project supported poor families with rupees 1,000 to get individual tap connection. There was no system in place to collect water tax and also for operation and maintenance. So, the project encouraged Gram Panchayats to collect water cess. This generated about rupees 8,76,553 as on December 2014 for operation and maintenance of water supply system.
Sugam works towards strengthening the panchayats, works towards the water governance in the villages. We make the panchayats to get involved in collection of water taxes and also the renovation of the old leftover water infrastructure which related to the drinking water, like such as hand pumps, tap connections and whatever the pipelines that was existed in the village. Now the panchayats came into force and they are collecting the water taxes, and now they are repairing the abundant and useless infrastructure which related to the water.
Villagers are happy to pay water tax as they have assured water supply.
CWS వాళ్ళ సహకారంతో
CWS came forward to develop the panchayat of Peddamatlagondi. There are 18 panchayats in this Signamala Mandal. I am happy to say only in this panchayat, villagers are coming forward to pay the water taxes.
పే చేయడానికి ప్రజలు ముందుకు వస్తున్నారు.
Open wells have dried up decades ago. Bore wells are dug too deep in search of water. This resulted in high TDS content of the water, especially fluoride. Fluoride has affected the health of the villagers seriously. It is quite evident as we see yellow tint on the teeth of many people. This old gentleman suffered with kidney failure attributed to high fluoride content of the drinking water. Sugam project tested the water samples from all drinking water bore wells of the project villages. Bore wells with high TDS is painted with red paint like this and banned the same for drinking. To provide safe drinking water, RO plants are established in the villages having fluoride problem.
వాటర్ ఫ్లోరైడ్ ఎక్కువ శాతం ఉంది సార్ ఇక్కడ. ఆ ఫ్లోరైడ్ ఎక్కువ శాతం ఉందనేది కూడా తెలిసింది.
RIDS people tested the water samples for all drinking water sources. Value of the TDS or fluorine has been displayed on the concerned test borewells to create awareness among people. RO plant is established with the support of Sugam project and watershed department to supply safe drinking water. Villagers are getting drinking water from this RO plant for rupees 3 per litre.
వాళ్ళు కూడా సహకారం అందించిన వల్ల మేము వాటర్ ప్లాంట్ నిర్మించుకున్నాం సార్ అది.
This RO plant sells safe drinking water for rupees 1 per litre. It is maintained by self-help groups.
మేము మహిళా సంఘాలమై ఒక 40 గ్రూపులు ఉన్నాయి సార్. 40 గ్రూపులలో
326 members in our village organization. The organization is able to rotate sufficient funds among the members and also to donate for welfare work. Likewise, we donated rupees 80,000 for constructing the shed for this RO plant. Machinery is established by the project. Village organization is maintaining the RO plant since 1 year with a profit of rupees 15,000.
కూడా ఈ ఇంట్లో సగం అందులో సగం తీసుకొని మేము నడిపించుకుంటున్నాం సార్.
Now, out of 3,317 households of the project area, 3,250 or 98% households are getting sufficient and dependable supply of safe drinking water. Sugam project has achieved its goal and closes by 2016. The project hopes that the awareness and the maintenance systems created will take this task forward forever.